Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean a USB-C port. The USB-C charging port in a Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. We need a brush with flexible bristles about 2 centimeters long. It should be long enough to reach the end of the port and clean it thoroughly, so we can clean the port properly. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol, so it will first soften the dirt and help remove it, and then evaporate without leaving any trace. A piece of plastic with an end shaped like this is useful, so that after cleaning we can check if there are any dust residues left in the corners of the port. If there are, this tool will help us remove them. This is something we made ourselves. It was printed on a 3D printer. You can make one yourself as well, or if not, you can simply buy it. On Allegro or Amazon you can buy a brush and diffuser as a set. Allegro, Amazon. And if not, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium bristled, because if the bristles are hard, they could scratch your phone. The first thing you always need to do is turn off your phone if you haven't already. You must not clean your phone while it's turned on, because you could damage it. Once it's completely powered down, we proceed to saturate every part of the toothbrush with alcohol. We take the phone in our hand. Here is the port. We insert the brush all the way to one end of the port and slide it to the other side. We repeat this motion about 10 to 15 times. Then we do the same in the other direction to the other side of the port. We insert the brush and clean in the other direction the same way. Do this 10 to 15 times to make sure the port is completely clean. If the port is dirtier, you need to repeat this process. Just do it 2 or 3 times in each direction to make it perfectly clean. At the very end, we take this piece of plastic, insert it into the port all the way to the very bottom, slide it through the entire port to the very end, and try to pull it out. Then do the same in the other direction. And then repeat the same from the other side of the port. Insert it, slide it, pull it out, and do the same in the other direction. If there was anything stuck in the corners, it would just come out with this little piece of plastic. If there isn't, then there isn't. Set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is to let the alcohol and isopropanol evaporate. After that time, you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And see you in the next video.